This morning I'm making coconut and passion fruit cupcakes. Thought we could do with a bit of a lift as we head into winter soon. The ingredients then, fairly standard ones. I'm going to be using eggs, butter, sugar, flour, baking powder, milk, vanilla essence, some passion fruit pulp, desiccated coconut and a little shredded coconut just to decorate on top. First, let's get the oven preheated to 180 Celsius. I've got a cupcake pan here and I'm going to line it with some nice colourful cases to pop in. This makes about 16. Now, I've got a stand mixer today, makes life that little bit easier. Into my bowl, I've got 200 grams of unsalted butter. Spoon that straight in, and we're just gonna cream that together. Off it goes. Into the bowl, I'm gonna add 2/3 of a cup of caster sugar. 1, 2. And half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. There we go, and we'll just beat that again until it's all creamed together nicely. So it's mixing in nicely. Next step, not many to go, it's a simple recipe this one, 2 eggs. Just crack them straight into the bowl. 1, 2, and we'll get that mixing again. So the eggs are mixed in. In a separate bowl, I'm just going to sieve in, I've got 1½ cups of plain flour. Sieve this in here. And 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Add these in here too. Sieve those together. And I've also got 2/3 of a cup of desiccated coconut. Pour that into the bowl. I'm just going to give that a quick stir together. Then we'll add it into our mixture and we're just about done. I'm going to add this into the mix along with half a cup of milk, which is at room temperature. Always best for baking, have your milk and eggs at room temperature. And we'll give that a quick mix and then we're ready to go. An ice cream scoop just to help portion out, and we'll just mix about 16. You don't need to smooth out the batter, sorry. It just spreads out in the oven, nice and easy. Let's get started on the buttercream. I've put 150 grams of unsalted butter, again into my KitchenAid here, and we'll get that, put it down first, and then we'll get it creaming. And add in half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and then slowly, I'll raise the mixer for this. We're going to slowly add in 2 cups of icing sugar. I'll just do a little bit by bit so it doesn't fly up and hit me in the face. There we go. Got a 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut. That's going to go in too. And then I've got some passion fruit pulp here, or puree. Just going to spoon in. I'm going to do a tablespoon at a time, just so we can get the right consistency. Looking, so it's creamy. You've got the little bits of passion fruit there. Got the desiccated coconut. Oh yes, this is lovely. Got a little piping bag, you can just spoon it on if you find that easier. Nice and simple. It's kind of my style really, nothing too fancy, but it tastes good. Perfect for a midweek pick-me-up treat. Here are my finished coconut and passion fruit cupcakes. Soft and fluffy coconut cupcakes, finished off with a coconut and passion fruit buttercream. I'm just going to scatter a little threaded coconut on top to finish off.